Oh, my trading stream got deleted for some reason. Okay, well, we're gonna go back to it. So my live execution's right here. So I went in short right here, took out 2 right here, wait for the test of New York, sold again, exit out here, added in 2 more, and then boom. Hit that low today. Hit that low today. I want to see if I could take a reversal maybe. I don't know if there's any targets to the upside that I still want to chase. I truly doubt it. I don't want to be the guy who top ticks or bottom ticks along. I ain't gonna be that type of dude because we still might hit yesterday's previous New York. Oh, yeah, we might get a reversal. Oh, there goes. What? I wanted to enter in the lungs. That's some bullshit. I'm gonna enter in some long guys. I'm gonna take one more position if longs hold. If the longs hold. There's no other targets to the downside that I personally see. I'm gonna take those longs. I'm that guy. Hey. Oh, I should have not taken longs. Order flow does not show longs. Probably should have went in for one contract or something. I'm still up 455 on the day. Continue this long setup maybe. I don't know if we're still going to see a push to the downside. I really doubt it. Heavy into the discount again. The overall trend. Just reacted off prior week's low. Target still could be to the top side. I'm seeing a big push in volume. Staying with 2 contracts. Because fuck it. Woohoo! Baby! Give me that! You're gonna be 3 for 3 today? Ooh, we're coming into stops. I like that. I like that a lot. Bang! Go long, baby. You ain't stopping buyers now. This was supposed to be the original move of the day. It was supposed to be longs. But we had to drag price down, collect some liquidity. And now we're going to go long. Got some buyer icebergs stop coming in. Sheesh. Yeah, burst of orders. No targets to the downside. Oh, wait, we have that 83 target. I didn't even notice. 25-100. But there's no key level down there. Could be just false advertisement. We got some seller icebergs, but we got to spread through those stops we created after going down. I see us coming up back to at least New York or opening range. After this burst of volume, absolutely. Oh, wait, we got some seller icebergs. I want to see how that moves the market. Oh, yeah, the buyers are loving those icebergs. It's a good reaction. Yeah, sellers ain't stopping it now. Doesn't look like it to me. We're waiting for that seller pressure to reduce. There's too many buyers in the market. We already got the mean reversion. High spike of volume to the top side. We do have some targets at 25-300. Are we going to hit it? Are we going to hit it? We're going to hit those targets. There's too many buyers for us not to hit those targets. We got some buyer icebergs. Oh, could mean good or bad. Let's see how we react. I think that's a good thing. It's gonna get some liquidity. We're gonna spike upward. Most sellers don't want it to. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, no, buyers aren't giving that up. Little liquidity grab. Order flow shows small fractal pullback. I might hop in for 2 more for a better price. Your boy is in for 2 more. And for a good reason. Yeah, still not enough sellers to convince me to get out of longs. So we're just absorbing all those sellers. Again, no targets to the downside besides 25-100, but we'll see. We're already in the discount, so. I still see target as New York, at least New York or opening range. For us to push lower right now, I just don't see it. I think we just swept liquidity for a good 15 minutes. We still got those target orders up there. They'll seem to look real too. every time we're tapping in here, we see buys. Could just mean stops that were set, but I doubt it. Yeah. There it is. There are my buyers. Shred through that liquidity. Those are all fucking algos anyways. Shred through more. Buy stops. Ooh, I don't like that absorption. Algos are trying to take it lower again. We in for longs. We in for longs. Yeah, we're consolidating like a motherfucker. Consolidating like a motherfucker. If order flow breaks structure, I'm gonna hop out. Because if buyers don't want to take that 250 level, 25250 level, then I am out. But for right now, there's more buyers than sellers in the market, and I'm already a buyer, so I feel like I'm on the right side of the market at this point of time. At least till we shred New York, which I think is a very likely possibility. But we see sellers already stepping in, so. I ain't gonna be a pussy. I ain't gonna hop out just yet. Because we have some more buying activity with icebergs. And we're sweeping buy stops. So that means they're trying to take out the sellers that were just in the market. Could chase that 25.312 level. It seems unlikely, but oh. Just came near that opening range, tapped into some sell icebergs. Could push that market lower, but does not seem like it. I want to see us hit off in New York at least. New York's my target. We'll see if we even get there. We're seeing selling pressure speed up a little bit. Looks like some absorption for buyers. Algo's playing games to the top side. I don't like that. Buyers are still holding, but I don't like it. I don't like it. Could be a liquidity grab, but not a nice one. 89, 95. Could sellers look like they're stepping in. Oh no, okay, no. Never mind. I was worried for no reason. We're just sweeping stop. Oh wait. Wait. Oh. Yeah, we just rejected off opening range low. Did not make it to New York just yet. I still think New York's the target. Get out for half my position at New York VWAP. Straight through New York. Come on. Don't be a bitch. All right. Slap through New York. See if we reject off New York. Very high possibility. I already see sellers unloading their shares. Oh, we might actually blow past New York. So at 25,312 level. I want to wait and see. See sellers unloading their shares at New York. Could mean we're probably going to get to see a reversal. I'm going to wait a little bit. Not that many sellers in the market. But it's a very high likelihood, considering we already rejected New York like 5 times, to see another rejection. But from what the market is telling me right now is that we are chasing that 25,312 level. And for us to blow past New York to reach that level might be a high possibility. I'm only holding half my position now. I got out at New York VWAP. I got in around at this level at 25,212. And so I hit that 25,270 level at New York. I'm going to be very observant. I want to see how we react to this. Yeah, not well. Not well. Yeah. I'm out that position. Good thing I got out for half. I'm up 674 on the day, guys. 674. Caught nice winners. I caught a lot of nice winners today. I should have held. But it's whatever. Ooh, do I want to take another short off New York? It's such a high quality setup. Do you have any targets to the downside? 156? Guys, I'm taking one last short. Order flow switching up. Rejection off New York VWAP and opening range, targeting down to that 25,150 level where there's 156 orders. Only in for 2 contracts. That buyer volume is just not there anymore. You see some buyer icebergs, but that should not be an issue. Waiting for us to break through that liquidity. We do still have some sell orders we probably want to reach. I already see the volume turning red. A spike of seller icebergs could move the market downward. Am I going to be 4 for 4 for today? We shall see. Oh, wait, we got some added in orders. We might reach those orders now. Yeah. Woo. I think it might take our first loss of the day. Yeah. We might take our first loss of the day. See how we react off New York. If we reject off New York and target those lows again. Oh, yeah. Big selling pressure off New York. If we break that New York and start sliding downward, that's going to be a quick move downward. It's like the one thing that I don't like about it, right? Is that if we do reject off New York really well, I mean, that slide it has to be quick because there's no liquidity down here. And for that next target to hit, I don't know if it seems likely or not, but we'll see. We're already seeing a lot of volume pick up. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, more sell icebergs. All this is going to pick up quick, either to the upside or the downside. We're getting a lot of sell orders. Oh, wait. Yeah, order flow switched. We're getting orders to the downside now. It's going to be an interesting downward spiral. Yeah, a lot of sell orders kicking in. Came into some buy icebergs. We'll see how that shifts. I think we're just going to collect all that hidden liquidity to the downside. That reaction is going to look nuts either way. It's either going to spike up really fast or it's going to spike down really fast. Might chase to the top of the range, but high level orders down like about 100 points. We're already seeing 100-point moves, and we're only at 10 a.m. Right? Or we could see big bursts of buyer volume. I'm ready for either or. But there's a tape imbalance. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of seller volume off opening range in New York. I don't think sellers want to give up that position. It's gonna be a lot of stops right above there, right above New York. Could sweep it. Actually, that's probably a better idea. To be in long, wait for those and just target those stop sweeps right here. But we already got orders building up at 25, 150, 25, 100 as well. We'll see. Got some more hidden icebergs. If we break New York, I'm out. There's some algos playing games too. Yeah, it doesn't seem like we're breaking New York, guys. Rejected off New York again. It's going to take a lot of buyers to break New York. And I just don't think we have that today. I do not think we have enough buyers to break New York today. Just to target one single area of liquidity? Nah. I'm gonna use my better perception. Shorts have been in. We rejected New York multiple times, and we're still rejecting New York as we're getting large quantities of sell icebergs. I just think shorts are the better probability play. I mean, that's just what it is. Shorts are the better probability play. Order flow showing consolidation, probably because of this price range right here. We're staying above this area of interest, but I already see the sellers taking the market over already. I think we're still going to target that 25,150 level, which probably just came up to get a better price. More seller icebergs. Yeah, buyers are trying. They're for sure trying, but I just don't think they got it in them. For a small pocket of liquidity above opening range high, which is another 70-point move, or are we just going to continue the move to the downside, chase all the stops that were just created after going long for about 70 points? I mean, just what makes the most sense, right? I think sellers are going to try to take out all the buyers that were just in the market, right? Because it'd be a lot easier to take out all the sellers that were past there because they already probably took profit. That liquidity is probably gone. Right? Because all the seller iceberg is just manually put in. There's a few that got hit that were just resting, but a lot of them are manually getting put in as we sit here. And plus, I'm seeing the slow volume. No real big pushes by buyers. We're at an equilibrium when it comes to market auction theory, right? But like I said, we're gonna see if we break New York, which hasn't happened. Rejected it 3 times. I mean, it's low probability, in my opinion. We got some target orders. We got some liquidity still to collect to the downside. That topside liquidity, I mean, could get hit. But like I said, for that little pocket of liquidity to get hit, it's just so unlikely. We got some orders at 25,300 that could get smashed through. That's about 42 points away. That could be a probability. But I mean, I don't see buyers taking over at all. Pace of tape showing increase of seller volume. Delta still negative 3,700. It just shows sellers are in control, right? Why argue with that fact? Why argue with it? Came up to the previous consolidated price range. Large pockets of liquidity there, right? To aim lower. Seller's market, play the seller's game. trying New York again. We'll see what happens. Another rejection of New York. Let's see if sellers give it up. Sweeping some stops above it. Oh, came into overnight or near overnight. Yeah, they were chasing some seller icebergs. They just swept New York. Still a little bit above it, but like I said, there's a bunch of stops above there. And we're just getting manually input icebergs too. They don't want to go up right now. They don't want to be long right now. Yeah, buyers are barely holding on by a thread. Barely, barely, barely. Low pocket of liquidity. Some seller volume. Oh, we got 86 contract at 25,300. Could be stops. Are we sleeping liquidity? Or are we breaking through like we thought we were? We're breaking through. Fake out off New York. Ultimate game plan. Should see volume move pretty fast now. All right. Targeting all directional orders downtown. Downtown. Pound town. We love Pound Town. Are we sweeping stops? No, sellers are still in control. See a lot of buy orders getting filled in, but doubtful it's anything to sweep my perception of the market at this moment. Market's telling me to go short, so I'm gonna go short. Only thing that's scaring me is that 25,300 level. But I don't think buyers have enough juice to push past it. And we're reacting negatively to buyer icebergs. And looks like order flow's switching up. A lot of those top 7 orders got removed. I'm just waiting for buyers to give up their position. Oh, those orders got removed from the downside. I just noticed that. Still got the 25-100 level. Seems more likely. Seems more likely to get hit. Tapped into a lot of sell stops. That's a good thing. That means delta's going down. And shorts might be the play. Targeted some buy stops, took out 71. Jeez. All right. I'm gonna hold this position with 2 micros. I'm not gonna risk that much. See that quick drop I was talking about. Did we collect some liquidity? No, we're pushing lower. We had some manually input icebergs to the downside. Got some orders added in, but we got a lot of sell orders added in. Yeah, order flow showing bearish now. They're creating target orders to the downside. So we got that 25-100 level that sellers might want to reach. If buyers don't take over, which I don't think is a likely possibility at this moment. We do have equal lows on the chart. Could mean we're just at the low of the consolidated range. But I mean, we're getting so many sell orders. It's hard to assume that we're going to go up higher. We might target that 25-300 range that's been building up. But I think, like I said, I think it's false advertisement. It's not going to get hit yet. Volume's telling a different story. Target at low of the day. It's a nice little move downward. Guys, I'm only in for 2 micros. I'm up $70, 70 ticks. Not chasing big wins. I already got big wins earlier. Just playing around with the market, seeing if I can catch more moves without taking any big losses. I am 4 for 4 today. Can you imagine that? I haven't been 4 for 4 in a while. See if we're sweeping liquidity right here. Oh, we got a bunch of sell icebergs. I really gotta take a piss. I'm seeing an algo playing some games, but To me, that's not that concerning. Once those algos start playing games to the top side, I'm just like, oh, okay, yeah, we're definitely going short. Smacking into some resting liquidity. See what happens when we react to it. Not much. Fractal pullback of some sorts. 15 ticks. Yeah, we're just gonna push lower. Order flow might be switching up. A lot of those target orders got removed at 25,300. I knew they were fake. I knew it was not a likely possibility. There's already buyers stepping out of the market. Long-term order flow just like keep going short after New York VWAP projection. Seller stepped in instantly. I mean, we saw the icebergs. So, I mean, that was just a pretty easy call. Pretty damn easy call. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm going short. I'm gonna take a piss. Still heading lower? Yeah. Up $80 on the shorts. Do I see order flow? No, it's not flipping. Algo's playing games. Perfect. So we're still gonna short sell. We got some target orders built up at 25,175. Original target was 25,100. Seems like we're tapping into some buy stops. Sell stops, which is a good thing. Delta's up to 42,000. Not 42,000, 4,200. Up $100 on this position. Mean reversion not happening. Targeting some liquidity. Some buy icebergs got hit. A lot of buy icebergs got hit. 400,000 worth. Ooh. Could that mean a switch up in order flow? Oh, I don't like that. Target orders 25,150. Trying to drag price down after sitting icebergs got hit. Algo playing games. No, volume's picking up to the downside. Okay, we're still good. Should be a nice big drop. We're slamming into a lot of hidden liquidity. Up 100. Oh yeah, we should be shooting lower. Seller icebergs manually input. All right, that's the hidden ingredient, guys. When it comes to icebergs, you have to know which ones are just the sitting liquidity that, like, you see right here, right? Those buy icebergs were just hidden liquidity, just sitting there, right? They were targeted as like 20 regular orders, but in reality, it's probably, well, it's 10% of it, right? So it's probably around 200. So that was just sitting liquidity right there. And then the manually input icebergs, the 25.3, those are icebergs that are input manually, that are automatically executed, which they're just dragging price down, right? Because they would be put in even though we're dragging down, so they weren't sitting there originally, right? They got added in, so that gives me more confidence that's going to keep on pushing lower. The same thing happened in New York, manually input icebergs. I just take the shorts on that. And then the more stops you run through, the higher the delta is going to be. Target at 150. That's yesterday's opening range high. Interesting. I don't know if we're going to come down that low. That's a 70-point drop. We got some manually input by icebergs though. So that's something to be careful about, right? When they're manually input like this, it just means that they're buyers that are trying to take out that market price, right? They didn't put a limit order in, they didn't have a limit order in, market value price, right? But let's see if we sweep them. Still a lot of sell pressure. I don't see sellers giving it up just because of a couple icebergs. They're just going to use them as liquidity. I mean, look at that absorption. How many candles is that? Like 12, 15 candles to the downside. I mean, we might see a little fractal pullback. Maybe buyers are trying to drag the price up to get a better price to sell. I'm not sure, right? I don't know that information. I don't know what people are thinking, but I could tell you what the market is doing. That's the one thing I could tell you. I'm up 800 on the day. That's not bad. 800 live on stream. I can see buyers coming in because of those stops that got hit. Yeah, big stops got hit. A lot of icebergs sitting liquidity right there. We're just dragging down. We're chooching down. Look at that. Holy hell. I told you guys it's going to be quick fucking move downward. Because there was all that hidden liquidity. What did I say? If there's no shown liquidity, there's hidden liquidity. And we're going to fucking blast through it. We're still probably going to blast through it. Yeah. Big market sell-off. Might still hit that 100 level. We just hit the low of the day. So we might see a reaction towards it. See if it blasts through low of the day. Which we fucking might. Oh my god, I caught like a 70-point move. Almost top ticked that shit. I don't like that. We just collected a lot of liquidity that low of day. Are we gonna break it though? Oh shit. More manually input icebergs to the south side. Ugh. I see algos playing games, but those might be real input orders. Oh yeah, those instant reversion. Took out some buy stops. It's hard now. Are we just gonna still hit that 100 level? We still got 100 points to go. It's a discretionary tail. I think that's an unrealistic profit target, unless we're collecting liquidity to go all the way down there, which could be a really high possibility why we return back to New York. But we'll see. Price is coming close to my stop. I still see this reversing. Oh, maybe not. Jumped up about 35 points. Some manually input buy icebergs. Oh, could be the end of the day for shorts. See buyers just taking over. For right now, unless it's a liquidity swing. Ooh, get some sellers coming in. Yeah, we got some sellers coming in. Not many, but some. Still in this position. I did lose $100 holding this instead of just getting out at the week low. That was stupid of me. But it's just a small fractal pullback, I think. No, I lied. Again, holding my position for too long. I should have got out of my target. Well, my target's the 125. Oh. The trade lost a lot of its value for right now, but I think we're still going short. Unless buyers pick up. Yeah, they might. Order flow switched. Switch to buyers only. Buyer icebergs. What kind of buyer icebergs are these? Liquidity? Oh, sellers might step in. Unlikely. Oh. Oh. Good thing I stayed in. Oh, we might target that 25-100 level after all. It's a 25-150 level too. Ooh, fake out. Fake out the buyers. Take out some of the sellers. Ooh. A lot of sell icebergs coming in. Oh, it could have been a liquidity sweep to go higher. No, there's actually a lot of sellers in the market right now. Way more sellers than buyers. This algo playing games at the top. Could be good news. I like when these algos play games. They show me exactly the direction the price is going. The more games, like if they're playing games to the top side right here, if they're adding in orders here and then here and then here, back up, right? Like this, right? They're switching down. That just means it's gonna go lower, right? They were trying to drag price, create false liquidity, spoof it up, and then eventually drag price downward to its original target. Ooh, a lot of manually input icebergs. Delta's almost maxed out at 5,000. That could mean good news for shorts. Just watching the market do its thing. A lot of those downside orders got removed. Means should pass through it quicker. Unless it's all hidden liquidity down there. Went through some sell stops. Could be a long bias still, but I don't see buyers picking up that much yet. Could be a small fractal pullback before we hit the low of the day again. Yeah, sellers have taken over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. Oh, I was a little late. A little late. Could be the next candle. Piece of tape. Oh, piece of tape showing an inversion. I don't see buyers taking over right now. Little liquidity sweep to the downside. That algo's still playing games, trying to drag price higher. See if we can break out of this consolidated range. Get a little high volume burst of sellers. I see the tape switching. Tape imbalance. Yeah, it looks like sellers are about to take over very, very soon. Oh, wait, we got some manually input icebergs. That could be a bad sign. Tape is showing sellers. It's waiting for that flip. So there are more sellers in the market than there are buyers. Big imbalance. We're just stuck in a consolidated price range right here. I'm waiting for those removed orders. All fake algos. You can see them coming in and out. Trying to drag price upward. Guess I was wrong. Unless we're sweeping. No. Maybe. We got equal highs in the range. Instant reversion. Let's see if that reversion holds. Unlikely. Wait, no? We're getting seller icebergs. Order flow showing bullish, though. No, we got some seller icebergs. We're chilling. We just swept a big pocket of liquidity. I'm not sure if I'm too fond of that. Pace of tape shows bearish. More buyers than sellers. Buyers are taking over. Actually, no. Are they? They might be. We got a level support that we just reached. Algos are trying to drag it up higher. Yeah. Hit a bunch of sell icebergs. Equal highs at the range. We're going to break it. Order flow, switch bullish. A lot of buyers in the market right now. Yeah, I'm out. I am out. Up 725 for the day. I am officially done. We can go through my trades right now. Fucking great day. I've been calling these shorts out all day. Even caught a long today, right? Yeah, even calling out a long today. Yeah, okay, let's see. So, original short idea, complete rejections off New York, couldn't come up to overnight. Big buy off yesterday, started a big sell off, right? Continued the overall trend of order flow. Easy, said and done, right? We got a mean reversion instantly right here at high volume. Enter in shorts, got out at opening range low, sweep of it. Re-enter, got out for 2 out of 4 contracts, re-entered here at New York. Did I re-enter twice? Yes. Okay, so I got out for 2, got in for 2 more, got in for 6, got out for 4, and then got out for total right here. I didn't know if we were going to sweep New York again, right? So I got out right here, right? Small win, got in for 4 and held the entire position downward here, right? Didn't come up to New York. I knew which shorts were in, targeted the week low, almost full TP on that. I got out a little bit early because I'm a pussy. Got in for longs right here after I saw this reversion. Targeted New York VWAP, called that all the way through. Average price was about right here, right? Full TP on that one. And then I got in for some shorts right about here. Shorts at the rejection off New York VWAP. Stop at overnight, targeted right here, but I got out right about here. Thought we were going to go lower, but we didn't. So right. Should have got out for at least 1 or 2. What are you going to do? 4 for 4 today. I mean, fuck, that's a great move. I mean, you can't ask for a better volume day like this. I mean, shorts were easily in. Couldn't even touch that high in overnight. Looks like we might actually break it through now. Those targets at 150 right here seemed unlikely for us to drop another couple points, but we got new targets to the upside, right? But great day overall. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. There's 2 parts that exited out of the first one, but hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Thanks.